Right. That's what it is. 356QB. White balances off a bit. So this is the living room, stroke kitchen, all in one. Tall ceilings, fridge, stove, oven, microwave, booth, seating, stainless steel sink. It's the TV and fireplace, couch. This is the bunkhouse where the kids sleep. We used to have 3 kids in here, but one's left. There's a space for the TV. In fact, I think the TV is normally in here, with all the crap. But yeah, one sleeps there, and the other one sleeps up there, and then the third one used to sleep there, but that's a tent and a blow-up mattress. This is the back bathroom with a separate entrance, its own vanity and a cheap, nasty looking shower, but enough to bathe a kid in if you had really young ones. But otherwise it's a shower stroke bath. Like I say, you can get in through the back entrance, so people don't even have to come through the RV. So this is the bunkhouse again. It's kind of spacious. Okay, heading up to the front bathroom. Oh, there's the controls. So this is the main bathroom. Turn the lights on here. Quite a bit bigger. Like kind of a residential shower thing. I don't know. It's kind of a bath as well. There's the shitter, vanity, medicine cabinet, and again cheap fixtures because it's a pretty cheap fifth wheel, well, low end, lowish. And then this is the master bedroom. RV King size bed, but it's still small. My wife loves purple, so everything's purple. And then massive chest of drawers, TV, and then in here there's loads of shit, I'm sure. Holy crap, it's warm in there. But a decent sized, oh, that's where you can put a washer and dryer and such. Decent sized, whatever you call this, and that's it. Alright.